Okay, looks like it worked. It's the next day. I had to do some other work, so I had to make a mess. So let's get it back together completely and see how she does. Let's see, where are our screws? Oh, it must have been underneath. This is what I get for not keeping very good track. Yeah, this looks like... Ah, that's what it is. Motor goes in here, top goes on top of the motor. And, oh yeah, no, it secures there. So that's kind of a mess. Side. Make sure that the motor and all of its wires are clear. Well, that sounded hopeful. Wire. Yeah, everything looks clear, and that's about where the switch sits in the control panel. I mean, what kind of a control panel is it? It has a switch, but you know, whatever. All right. We're in. We have a little bit of an offset. Should be it. Everything seems to line up. Now, oh, which screws went to what? Okay, two large ones go here and here. They're part of the handle. And so I guess it's these guys, these ugly as sin flatheads. Yep. And I will just set them in here so that I've got them in, and then I'll back them out and put them in proper. This machine is absolutely not worth the time I've invested in it. However, I hate throwing something away that wasn't horribly broken. You know, give me a chance to horribly break it. Nope. Those smell like 3/8 to me. You watch, now that I've said it, they'll be 1/4. Or, you know, 9/32 is the one that I don't have over here. I don't think. Give me 2 seconds. Can you tell that I'm impatient? This is the problem with a wet vac that has got non-stainless hardware in it. I mean, that is pretty gross. Let's see what we got here. Back you out. Catch the threads, he said with quotation fingers, because threads in plastic are not really much of a thing. Yeah. Fiber reinforced nylon, sure. My car gets 43 rods to the hog's head, and that's the way I likes it. And again, if the threads are giving me this much trouble, or the plastic is giving me this much trouble, then maybe it's okay. He said, screw it and pooch repeatedly. Okay. Well, I would say that is that for that. Now let's get this guy back on. Make sure the switch is properly seated. That was an issue. I thought that might be the problem when I first started having issues with this thing, but alas, it was not. It was a much bigger problem of that brush breaking. And you know, I still have some concern that all of this, and we'll still have a basically wrecked vacuum cleaner in short order because maybe one of the windings isn't working right. But I was stressing it. I had it on a router table, a really crappy one. Okay, let's see about this fellow. And because of that, I think, I mean, I was running it, and the router itself was causing the voltage to drop. The voltage drop, the heat goes up. There may have been an extension cord involved, no comment. Oh yeah, all right. There we go. Off. Yeah, she says she's off. We'll see in a second. All right. Plug her in. You're ready to yank it out in case it catches fire or explodes or something fun like that. Okay. Plugged in. I will call that a win.